Just don't film me.
I'm an upside to racism, but I won't give up my deep-fried turkey. I won't.
But no one's asking you to. But we wanted this perfect Thanksgiving. Now we might just have to settle for fine. Think we can do that?
Marty, we live in New Jersey. I drive a minivan. I'm built for fun.
And now we know what to expect, so there's no more surprises, right?
Nope. No more surprises.
Father would be furious if he knew what we were doing.
Try to make them more.
Brian Botano, Greg McGinnis, we must see the prison.
You have written orders.
Oh, of course, Greg. Come closer. There's your written order. I'm the Henderson. I am the law.
Nah, it's just...
Oh, wait!
Ladies.